Welcome to my channel 5 Best Tools Hub. Here are the top 5 digital clamp meter. I have carefully reviewed related products from AliExpress and selected the top 5 for you, considering all aspects. Number 1. Digital clamp meter. The NJTY T26C digital clamp meter is a precise and professional tool for detecting leakage current ranging from 20 mA to 60 A. With 0.01 A accuracy and an auto-ranging function, it ensures quick and reliable readings for electricians and technicians. Its compact clamp design allows easy access to tight spaces, while the clear LCD display improves visibility. Ideal for electrical maintenance and troubleshooting, the T26C offers excellent value with dependable performance and high sensitivity in leakage detection tasks. Number 2. Digital clamp meter. The ONCM 2100CM 2100B digital multimeter is a high-precision clamp tester ideal for both professionals and hobbyists. With a 20,000 count display and true RMS accuracy, it provides reliable AC/DC voltage, current, and resistance readings. The VFC function ensures accurate measurements in variable frequency environments, while the portable clamp design makes it easy to use in tight spaces. Its durable build, clear LCD screen, and quick response time make the CM2100 an excellent tool for accurate electrical diagnostics. Number 3. Digital clamp meter. The Unity UT210 UT202A UT204 Plus clamp meter is a reliable and versatile tool for both professionals and hobbyists. It measures AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and more with high accuracy and true RMS support. The compact clamp design allows easy current measurement without breaking circuits. Its clear LCD screen, durable build, and multiple safety features make it ideal for electrical troubleshooting and maintenance. A great multi-tester offering excellent value, precision, and convenience for various electrical applications. Number 4. Digital clamp meter. The Unity clamp meter UT201 UT202 UT202A UT203 UT204 Plus is a professional-grade digital tester ideal for electricians and technicians. It accurately measures AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and continuity with reliable true RMS performance. The clamp design allows safe, hands-free current testing without direct contact. Its clear LCD display, ergonomic grip, and durable build make it convenient for daily use, whether for home or industrial applications. This multimeter delivers precision, efficiency, and safety in one versatile tool. Number 5. Digital clamp meter. The Aneng ST184 clamp meter is a versatile and reliable tool for both professionals and hobbyists. With 6,000 counts resolution and true RMS accuracy, it delivers precise measurements for AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, and more. The clamp design allows safe, non-contact current testing, making it ideal for electrical troubleshooting. Its backlit LCD ensures clear readings even in dim environments. Compact, durable, and easy to operate, the ST184 is an excellent multimeter for electricians and DE users seeking performance and value. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press